To be the most successful realtor, you need the best tools and services. The innovative and solutions-driven technology available at Royal LePage empowers you to be more productive, so you have more time to focus on your clients. We've reinvented and rebuilt our proprietary platform, rlpNetwork, to serve you better. Your destination for productivity tools and services at Royal LePage. With increased tool integration, you can access data to help you make better decisions and save time. From the homepage, you can track your momentum with the Awards Tracker widget. Manage your daily calls and tasks. Create a landing page or update your website from your RLP Sphere dashboard. Easily review your sales pipeline without leaving the homepage. Looking for more? Launch RLP Sphere to find more ways to generate leads, automate your lead nurturing, and maintain contact with your prospects and past clients. Easily connect with other Royal LePages across the network with the robust Smart Search referral directory. And be confident you are referring the right agent to your client. Your professional profile is everything. Gain maximum exposure in the online referral directory and on rlpNetwork.ca. The more up-to-date your profile, the more leads you may receive. Agents and consumers want to know more about you before reaching out and connecting. Grow your business with the most powerful all-in-one solution, rlpNetwork. Log in and explore today.